Welcome back to another room tour video from Arcade Travel. Today we're at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa in Anaheim, California. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the warm rustic design that gives this room a cozy yet luxurious feel. The earthy tones, wood accents, and Disney details create a perfect blend of comfort and charm. This room features 2 plush queen beds with soft linens and themed artwork above, adding a touch of Disney magic. And here's what makes this a partial view room. Depending on the location, you might get a glimpse of the pool, the resort's beautiful landscaping, or even parts of Disney California Adventure. For entertainment, there's a large flat-screen TV and a spacious desk area, great for catching up on work or planning your next Disneyland adventure. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The bathroom is sleek and stylish, featuring a double vanity, bright lighting, and Disney toiletries, adding an extra touch of luxury. Over here, you'll find a convenient minibar with a coffee maker, mini fridge, and plenty of storage for your belongings. So that's a look at a partial view room here at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. What do you think of this room? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more hotel tours from Arcade Travel. See you in the next video.